Hi there, Natalie with you today to give you a quick look of this month's Life Crafted Citrus Twist Kits kit. And this month the kit's name is Love Stories, which is fitting for February being Valentine's Day. But this kit is full of hearts, but not the pink or the red you're thinking of, but actually a very colorful palette, very vibrant, that is going to be perfect to document everything, your everyday or your stories of the month. So let me just show you. Let me put aside a little bit so you can see. I've already done a little bit of the work ahead of time, so pull stuff out of the bag so we can go through this quickly. So what you're gonna get in this month is a 3x8 card, which has a title on one side, lots of places to document. You're gonna get 3x4 cards. Remember, these are exclusive to Citrus Twist Kits, and you have some hearts and it's a good story. I'm just gonna quickly show you what there's some titles, lots of places to actually document your stories. Beautiful. It's a kind of a teal color, turquoise, currently loving. So there's a love theme, but it's not gonna be I'm gonna say it's not accented by pink. There's accents of pink, but it's not like Valentine's Day. It's just an everyday kind of documenting. Oh, it's all okay if I did survive. Oh, that's perfect. Butterflies. Who doesn't love a good butterfly? Here the love. Can we just get along? And a floral heart. So I'm just gonna kind of move it a little bit to the side so you can see everything that comes included. Again, you're gonna get, you cut apart sheet of labels, which are gonna coordinate with the colors of the month. You have your two 4x6 cards. They're double-sided. Again, this is the flower of the month, and then great to add titles. You're gonna get a 4x8 tag. This is it's gonna be one included in your kit, but if you want more, you can pick them up from the shop. It's something that's gonna be carried in the shop. It's gonna be standard new product. And then you're gonna get the exclusive papers. And again, like I said, this is I'm gonna say the theme is love, but it's not just Valentine's. So you're gonna see there's lots of colors, lots of looks that are gonna coordinate with the colors, but perfect for all your type of documenting. There's no seasoning. Mine, as always, are beautiful rainbows. There's rainbows in the little circles too. More circles, a heart. Again, it's beautiful ledger paper. More florals. This paper is gorgeous. It talks about dreams, cherish, nurture, about love in a different way. And these are the papers. Again, these are all exclusive to Citrus Twist Kits, and love them. The colors are fresh and vibrant, beautiful. Now, what you're gonna get also is your golden puffy stickers. These are the stickers for the month, and sorry, the puffy alphas. Perfect because it goes with all the colors. Brings a little bit of shine to your pages. Perfect to document on your layouts, on your traveler's notebooks, on everything. This month you're gonna get a sheet of puffy stickers, and these are not that thick, so they can go in your traveler's notebooks. They can go in your layouts, in your pocket pages. Perfect. This month's stamp. Remember, if the Life Crafted kit comes with a bigger stamp. This, I'm gonna say, is a 3x4, and talks about love, but like there's this sentence I love. I have a good heart, but this mouth, and you know what? Perfect. I mean, it's a combination of love and everyday. Great for your documenting. Now, the beauty of this kit is the ephemera, and the ephemera this month is to die for. Lots of little hearts. There's lots of little hearts. Pretty much, I'm gonna say the same colors as in the puffy alpha, but these are flat. There's some that come with script, polka dots, labels, the butterflies that you see in the cards. Lots of dreams matter, bonjour, little tabs. Love is good all around. You're gonna love this card. Imperfect perfection. This card you can punch out the word beauty. Little tags. There's a scallop border with little hearts. So much. The ephemera is packed with ephemera. This one I love. Be gentle with yourself. Again, lots of butterflies. You're gonna see a lot of butterflies in this kit. Curious. Love this sticker. There's a little heart. You can punch the date. Beautiful. But this month, if you are a subscriber to Citrus Twist Kits, last month Trina introduced vellum tapework. this month is acetate words and shapes. So I'm going to bring just a little piece of paper at the back to show you. There's words like a beautiful day. There's butterflies. There's little, now we're talking, there's numbers. So put dates, you can do bullets. I don't want to lose any of them because they're beautiful. Choose happy, again, good vibes, everyday type of words. It's not just about love, it's about hanging out with you is where I want to be. So much I can do. I can spend the entire day showing you everything, and I think we're all loving this. These are just beautiful. So that's all that's included in the kit. This is the Life Crafted kit for February 2019, and this is what you're gonna get in your little zipper bag. Now, this all coordinates with, if you're this all coordinates with the album, but if you're a subscriber to Citrus Twist Kits, you are also have access to this month's free printables, and there's a sheet of cut apart elements. Again, labels, tags, places where you can add your journaling, little flags, little tabs that you can add into all your documenting. And also, if you are a subscriber, then also you have access to a set of bonus journaling cards, and these are only if you're a subscriber. You have 4 cards. They match the kit. They're just add-ons to what you can add to your project life. You can actually add them to your traveler's notebook, to your layouts. Beautiful, because they match the colors of the kit. And I totally forgot, if you're also if you in your little kit, you're gonna get a little bag full of chipboard hearts. These are all pink and mint, and they have gold speckles. Sorry, I forgot to show you. This is also included in this month's kit. So like I said, it's packed with lots of beautiful exclusive papers and cards. You're gonna get access to free printables, and you're gonna love it. So make sure you check that. This is coming to the shop. Remember, you can find all of this as part of the subscription. You can find more of these tags if you like them, 4x8 in the shop. They'll be coming, there'll be an item that will be carried forward. And also, if you are while you're there, make sure to check this month's stamps. This is the Life Crafted. This is Life stamp. A lot of stories, not just stories about love, but love of the outdoors, love of coffee, nature, great places to create your labels, to create titles. Beautiful stamp. This is the Traveler's Notebook stamp, and it's about coffee. There's a little tag. You can create your titles on a creative mission. So much you can do. And this is the add-on stamp, and this one, it's perfect to add sentiments to a lot of pages, and also your titles all heart, word every mile. So check them out. Also, if you are at the shop, and what is the beauty of the Life Crafted kit, don't forget to check the albums. This is the Life Crafted album. Remember, this is only available as Citrus Twist kit, and the beauty of the album is that it fits a standard traveler's notebook page. So 4 1/4 by 8 1/2. Has your bookmark plate. It has beautiful inserts. If you're wondering about different colors, more colors of the album will be coming to the shop, I'm gonna say around March. And there's also gonna be new configurations of pocket pages also coming to the shop. So just check. I'm gonna say March. I think Trina will let us know when they're coming up, but there's more colors. Trina has picked a beautiful palette and also more configurations. So anybody that's using this as a pocket page album, stay tuned. We have more. And this is pretty much will be available at the shop coming February 1st. Make sure to check the kit. It's a gorgeous kit. Lots inside the kit. And I'm just can't wait to see what you create with it. And I'm sure the design team is going to create beautiful projects that are going to inspire you. So make sure you check also Candice's video when she'll show you a more in-depth look of what is included in the kit. So that's for me now. Take care, and I hope to see you soon. Bye bye, guys.